Hi, this is Ryan, and let's learn how to transfer funds from our bank account to our Zebpay account. Click on the Zebpay icon. Once it opens, click on Deposit on the left-hand side. You have three options to deposit money into your Zebpay account: instant deposit, UPI, net banking, and bank transfer. Click on Instant Deposit. Here you will see Zebpay's bank details, which you need to add as a recipient in your bank account. The convenient option is UPI. So click on Deposit. Now click on UPI. Enter the amount you want to transfer to Zebpay. Click Go Cash Free. Now select Proceed to Deposit. You have to enter your e-wallet ID. Mine is Google Pay. You select Paytm. You have your Paytm ID. You have Phone Pay. You have Beam. You have Amazon Pay. I'll click Google Pay. I will click Pay, Verify and Pay. I will get this pop-up. Now I will see a request on my Google Pay account from Cashfree. Open that. And here I see the payment request from Cashfree. I will click Pay. Proceed to pay. It takes between 5 to 10 minutes for the amount to show in your Zebpay account. So we just need to wait. I will go back to Zebpay and watch the screen. Payment is successful. Do not press the back button yet. And you will see the request: we have successfully initiated payment request. In case the payment does not show in Zebpay after a few hours, you will have to wait for a few days, but the amount will be refunded to your bank account. This is just a one-off situation if something like this does happen.